we doing? So we're up nice and early. Cole thinks we're going RC car racing this morning, but we're not. We're going to go flying. You don't know it yet. Anyway, put that in there. This should be fun. Right, here we are at the field. What do you reckon?
The grass is a bit long, boss. Where's the track going to go?
Ah, there is no track. Well, there's no car track. I haven't bought any cars. That's what I failed to tell you. I was going to surprise you.
Surprise me with what?
From my old...
A lawnmower?
No, not a lawnmower. We're going to go plane flying today. I've hooked out one of my old planes, my eBay special, and I might let you have a go. You up for it?
Yeah, go on then.
All right.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah, I'll go and show you it, okay? Let's get it out. All right. There it is. Ripmax. What are you laughing at?
What is that?
Yeah, it is a bit funny, isn't it?
It's made out of balsa wood, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no carbon fibre on this thing, mate.
What?
But this is old school. This is old school. It's an eBay job. I got it for about 50 quid. I haven't flown, by the way, for about 2 years.
Oh, cool. We're making excuses already. I like it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got no wing.
Right, okay, let's go.
Is it a wind-up plane?
No. Fueling her up, mate. Fueling her up. Honestly, I haven't flown this for ages, this plane. It's been a long time. Put the wings on.
Putting the wings on.
Planes don't fly very well without these.
It's like cars with no wheels, I guess.
Exactly. Exactly. Now this is old school, like I say. I don't know if there's many people that still fly nitro, but well, I don't really. Not anymore. So I thought it'd be quite good for the channel, just to see a bit of aeroplanage, old school style.
Is that literally held together with elastic bands?
Yeah. But I'll double them up. This is how they used to do it, well, way back in the day. So the engine's an OS, for any geek heads out there. 46 LA. I don't know if they sell these anymore, I haven't got a clue. Someone will probably tell me on the feed or whatever. If they do or they don't. Really basic stuff, really basic stuff. There we go, lots of throw on the control surfaces. So the way this works, for those of you that don't know, up is that, the elevator. Ooh. Rudder, that's really for taxi and I use it for, maybe the odd manoeuvre. Roll right, roll left, fast and slow. And that's it. Where'd it go?
Run.
Where'd it go? It just cut out.
Oh, I think they're in the grass, boss.
Oh, there it is.
What happened?
Just stopped working. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that.
Actually managed to bring that down all right in the end, didn't you?
Did, yeah. It's like, yeah, just cut
Out of range?
No,
Shouldn't have
it's so old. The fuel I'm using is like a couple of years old. So I'd put it down to just dodgy fuel, but once it slows down, you've got no air travelling over the surfaces and you've got no control. You want to go?
Yeah. How different to a car is it? Forward, back, left, right?
No.
No?
Slow, fast.
Forward, backwards?
Up, down. Down is up is down, left and right. You're pretty good
What's this
coordinator.
left and right?
Rudder, which you don't really need.
Is that where it does that? Knifey, what's it?
Yeah, knife edge and taxiing and stuff, yeah.
Yeah, go on then.
Right, say that again.
Here goes nothing.
Right, go on then, you ready? Line it up, line it up, line it up. Right, just give it full throttle and then the beats, yeah?
Go on then, here goes.
Okay, up. No, go up. Yeah, whoa, careful. What are you doing?
Oh.
Oh my God.
Say Neil at Sunderland's got a simulator, which I've had a go on a couple of times, but this is the first proper bit of flying. Hang on, it's not doing what it should. I've got no throttle.
You'll be alright.
I've got nothing.
Alright, be careful. Well, I say that. What are you doing? Actually, to be fair, you got that down alright, because there was, and that's just, you've been on a simulator, is it?
Pretty much. Can we race planes?
Yeah, they do pilot. With things like that, they do like limbo. They go under like ropes and stuff.
In fact, Neil's been asking us to get out and race, do some dogfighting with some of his planes, hasn't he?
Yeah, we should do that.
Maybe we should.
Alright, well, I suppose we better pack up and go then.
Cool beans.
Anyway, there you go. A little bit of flying today. Something a little bit different for you. And the plane goes home almost in one piece. Well, it is in one piece, luckily. Have you got a bug for it now, Carl?
No.
No. It was nice to get out, wasn't it?
It was a nice morning.
It was.
But I need to fry up now, so let's go.
Let's go. Bye. I like that turn, you. How'd you learn that?
I think I turned the wrong stick.